Hi guys, Jagisha here, back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to unbox the Boltt fitness band that is made by a company called Boltt, obviously. So I'm going to share the unboxing experience and soon I'll drop a review on that fitness band. So without any further delay, let's get to the video, guys. So guys, this is the box and this is my blade to cut this thing open. Okay, so I'll start peeling the blade out. So this is a surgical blade used by doctors while doing surgery. So basically I work in a hospital right now, so okay, this is my thing and let's start opening it. These things are very sharp, yeah, sharper than the most blades used by normal YouTubers like me. So this is the bill. Okay, this is the bill. So I'm just gonna give it around. So this is the box itself. It's a nice box. So designed in California, made by Boltt, Inspire Action Beat. Okay, so this is the box, and as you can see, okay, I'm gonna keep it there. As you can see, there's app for this in the Google Play Store as well as the App Store. So compatible with the iPhone and Android, heart rate monitor, automatic sleep tracking, social media, and caller alerts, movement detection, activity tracking, silent alarm. So there's a lot of features in this, and I got it for a sweet deal. The MRP is 3,000. I got it for around 1,700, I guess, because it's old. So it's obviously powered by Bluetooth, so it says that here. So let's cut this thing open. I don't want to damage the box. So okay, Beat. This thing looks like a normal phone box, but opening this is gonna be a tough time. Okay, I'll get back to you when I open it. So after a lot of struggle, I somehow opened the box. So this is how the box looked like. So okay, wait, let me turn off that flashlight for you. Here we go. You can see me shooting. I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S7 to shoot this video. So this is the box. Okay, nice little packaging. It says future of wearables here, and this is the fitness band itself. Looks good. Has a touch button here and a heart rate sensor. Well, my Samsung Galaxy S7 also has an heart rate sensor. I thought, well, if I want to buy one fitness band, I think it should contain all the things. So let's take the blade out of here. Okay, so let's see what we have in the box. So this packaging is really, I think this is some paperwork. Holy crap, they don't even give you a USB cable. No, because you don't need an USB cable. Okay, so sorry, but this is a 6 months plan. Okay, I can activate the Boltt fitness trainer. Yes, a personalized trainer for each user. So I got a 6 month plan. I actually don't need this plan, but they are offering it anyway. So if you have seen the activation code, please don't copy it. I'll try to remove it off the video. Let's see, know me better. So this is some stuff on how to connect this thing to your phone and stuff. Yeah, it's charging the ear tracker. Okay, let's see whether it switches on. Okay, it's not switching on. Obviously it's down because no charge in it. I'll get back to you once I charge this thing. One more thing, guys, and to charge this thing you have to remove this band. Well, oh my god, this thing is so tough. Yeah, Okay, that's the USB. So we are going to just plug this thing into a computer or your charger. I'll say the best way to charge this is to use 5 volt 0.5 amps or 500 mAh charger, because this thing has a small battery inside of it. If you charge it with 2 amp or more than 2 amp charger, it'll probably die soon. Okay, I'll get back to you once this thing charges and boots up, guys. Okay guys, so this thing is charged and booted up. As you can see, this is a nice feature. When I keep it down and pick it up, it sort of shows you the time. Wait, let me focus on that. Okay, it shows you the time, small button, number of steps you have walked, and number of kilometers, and this is the cute heart rate sensor I've been talking to you about. And next it shows the time, the battery, and if I connect it to my phone, it'll show me some of the notifications from the phone as well. So basically this is the let's see whether it detects my heartbeat. Wow, that was quick, man. Whoa, that's quick. And this thing is detecting it so fast. Even the pulse oximeters we use in hospitals doesn't start detecting the heartbeat so soon. Okay, so I don't think this thing is accurate, but I have to test it out, guys, because I have a phone which has a heart rate sensor, and I work at a hospital, so I have access to a lot of pulse oximeters. So I'll test it out for a few days and get back to you with a full review, guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. So if you liked the video, please leave a like, and if you liked my content, please subscribe to the channel, guys, and hit the bell icon there. I'll see you in the review soon. Thank you.